Greetings, my name is Devin McKenzie, the analyst at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD analysis for the 11th to 17th of January 2018. The CFD analysis is a weekly commentary on the top 40 stocks on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. In order to get a general feel of how most of the stocks are trading on the market, one could take a look at the top 40 future index. The commentary on this index can be found on slide 12 of the CFD analysis. The index traded sideways over the past week. There is currently some negative divergence on the relative strength index, suggesting that the index may retrace in the week ahead. The key levels of support to monitor will be the 50-day simple moving average at around 53,200 points, followed by the round figure of 53,000 points, and then if there's further weakness below that level, 52,150 points. To the upside, a move above 53,800 points is likely to be followed by further strength to 54,000 and even 54,300 points. This commentary shows us that we are anticipating some retracement in the index as a result of the negative divergence. However, the momentum is still firmly upwards, and we do anticipate that the index will continue making its way higher after it retraces. If you have a look at the commentary this week, you'll see that many of the trading opportunities are buying opportunities. We'd prefer to stay on the long side given the recent upward momentum, and 15 out of the commentaries present buying opportunities, but the CFDs are currently not at the correct levels to buy them. As suggested by the movement of the index, we would first want to wait for many of those CFDs to retrace to slightly lower levels before we'll look to buy them for a move higher again. In particular, you can look at the stock of Sanlam, which is currently trading at a level at which it could possibly be bought. And the other buying opportunities will be presented mainly in the banking and financial stocks, with a few SA incorporated stocks included. On the short side, there are very few trading opportunities, and most of those trading opportunities would only be palatable to aggressive traders, but I'd like to draw your attention to Anglo Gold, Aspen and Bidcorp for those who are a little bit more aggressive, and then you can also have a look at the stock of Mondi, which is a slightly safer shorting option. Another factor that will affect the movement of the index in the week ahead will be the strength of the local currency, and this can be found on slide 13 of this week's CFD analysis. And the commentary reads as follows. The Rand has been contained between the 12 Rand 50 and 12 Rand 25 levels over the past 2 weeks and may break higher or lower from current levels. A lot will depend on the political developments of the ANC. A move above 12 Rand 50 is likely to be followed by further weakness to 12 Rand 75, and a move below 12 Rand 25 is likely to be followed by further Rand strength to 12 Rand. So not too much movement anticipated. The price is likely to be contained between 12 Rand 50 and 12 Rand 25 unless there are some significant political developments which may see a break in either direction. Thank you. That's your CFD analysis for this week. Please remember to manage your risk by using protective stop losses.